Hello YouTube, welcome to Sunday in the Shop, special edition this week. We are all done with our remodeling. We have a little bit of work left to do. We have one shelf to clean off, but we are done for a few days. We put a new stovepipe on the inside. The old stuff went to the outside. We'll pan you around here real slow. That's where the toolbox is now. I have made some small videos. I got some stuff under the desk there I have to go through. Most of it is what was on the desk and the shelf before. I need to sort through it. We did paint the desk. I'm sure that was in a video already. Okay. There's our new shop light. LED 4-foot shop light from Harbor Freight. We're going to go over there and turn it on. It's a nice, bright, sunny day outside. We're going to go turn the light on and we'll see what it looks like on the camera here. It's pretty bright at nighttime. I don't really need two of them. I did try to hang it off the desk where them lamps are at on a piece of angle iron. It was just way too bright. We don't even want to get on the light. It is so intense. Okay, so we're going to go to the other side. We'll switch angles here and we'll turn the light on and off and see if you can see the difference. There's going to be some glare coming through the windows, but we'll see how much difference it is from the daylight. Okay, you can see the light glaring through the window. We'll turn the light off here. That's quite a bit of light. You can fight the daylight there. Okay, we're going to move in a little bit closer here. This is where our vise is going to be. That bench was one of the first benches I built in here. Then I had that one made out of the table, and that was for the lathe. The lathe now is put in retirement down there. Nobody's ever seen the videos. That's totally rebuilt, not restored. That's all original paint. I just restored everything that was loose in it. Okay. Pan back over here. I forgot to mention the video about the bench. That is flat brown paint on all the lumber there. Even the shells, recycled plywood. So that is just plain old flat brown paint. Don't ask why it got shiny in that one spot right there when I touched it up. We do have to clean that shelf yet. That's all you're going to see that. That's a mess. Harbor Freight hardware. We're rolling around in a chair here. If you can hear it roll. It fit just right because that 2x4 I put the screw, because the tab on them boxes is at the front, so when I put it on the screw it can fit under there. I think you know what I mean. So it'll hang there flat. Of course the air compressor's down below where it used to be. We're going to have it out a little further. We need to have some kind of drain pan when we drain the moisture out so we don't get it all over the wood. Okay, then we're going to pan you back over here to the corner next. I think we'll pause, we'll show that, we'll show the drill press. Okay, there's our tool cart. We had everything piled on there. I think I put that at the end of one of the videos. Drills and saws and everything. It's nice, just roll around. Then put your junk away that don't belong on it. Drill press is in the corner now. Behind there is my torch. There's the welder can be moved. I can open both doors. I had to put the ladder somewhere so I could film. I've been using it to get up above. Nice to have a step ladder in here. We're going to take you on over to the drill press and show you how we chain it to the wall. So hang on, let's go for a ride. See that chain? That was off my torch tanks. There's a washer welded to 2 links, so that's in there over 2 inches, that lag screw. Bolted down here, this is bolted to the table, so it can't go anywhere. Here's an invention I'm working on. This is off an old cheap drill press, an old small Harbor Freight drill press. It doesn't fit in there straight. we're going to use this. We want to bolt down any small stuff to drill it. See that? So we got a real small table. So recycled that. I saved that. I found it. Okay, that's about it for now. We'll pause. We're going to show you a little flashlight I got, and then maybe one other thing before we go. But this stand is not that sturdy. Those are like 1 1/4 inch whatever square tubing legs down there. It's not the greatest thing. Now it can't fall over. So that was the whole thing for safety. So stay tuned. We'll take you back over to the desk. Okay, we're going to do another test with the shop light. We're going to turn it off. We'll go ahead and shut these 2 lamps off I had over here. And then we'll go back just to the shop light up above. You can tell when it comes on how bright it is, and the camera focuses, you know, just to whatever the brightness. Okay, we went to get that light. It was $30, $29.99 for the 4-foot shop light. We had a 20% coupon. Well, when I picked the box up off the shelf, a coupon come floating down for $20, $19.99. I was like, wow, I saved $10. So I bought this for $9. We probably won't take no pictures of this. Would like to show you the number. Here, there's the item number. I could have used this. The whole plan was to put it on the back here way. The whole plan was to put this on my drill press, but it's cast iron, and no, it takes a heck of a magnet to stick that cast iron. This is what I like. You can stick it on something like this with the magnets, tilt it. Some of these just flip in half, but this is good enough for me. I can shine it up, shine it down. It has 2 modes, which I can't tell much difference, maybe with better batteries. It's supposed to be high and low on that. And then the 3rd time it lights up your flashlight on the end. So, it wasn't bad. They have one for $8. It's real small, not as good as this. This was $9, so I'd rather spend another $1 or so and get something a little bit better, a little bit bigger. So it's almost the same amount of LEDs, the shape of it as their cheap lights. These have been improved. That's the other thing I wanted to show. These used to have all these LED lights in them, but I wonder if these are disposable now. Here's the reason why. I took a little screwdriver, can't get the screws out of here. I needed some batteries. I was going to rob them out of one of these lights. My little screwdriver, I ain't got enough force to get these screws out, so we will try a big screwdriver someday to try to get them out. Once the batteries go low, we're not going to mess with it now. But yeah, these are the freebies. So don't pass them up if you're going in there with a coupon. One more time on the package here real quick. That's it for that. We'll go over the back real quick. It saves taking pictures. You can always pause. Like I always say, I don't get paid to show anything. I just like sharing what I find in case somebody's interested and they want one. And then they can go by my opinion too. If that thing shucks out, I'm going to make a video about it that it's junk. I know there's a few items I've got that went bad and I forgot to make videos on because you get so much junk. Especially cheap stuff, sometimes you just throw it away. But we'll pause for a minute. We'll see if we can think of anything else. And then the video is almost over this week. Okay, we'll show you the box real quick. Let's do it sideways. I have no idea where the item number is. I mean, you can look it up. It's 4-foot shop light. Here's the item number. I think that could be it. But that's about it. Not much on the box except what I just showed you, but now I can throw that away. I might not. It'll just probably get thrown in the garage. Whatever, warranty 90 days. So thanks for watching. I'll leave you some try to take some nice pictures of everything in here. So thanks for watching, and thanks for watching all the videos of me doing the cleanup remodel in this place. I have a lot of room now. It's going to be a lot nicer. I can work on a little project here now. I can get that little riding mower in here this winter and work on it a little bit. So thanks for tuning in this week. Looking forward to seeing you next Sunday.